Have you wondered that if you were to make an opening offer in a high-stakes negotiation, how would you do it? SlideTeam's PowerPoint training module, Setting the Opening Offer in Negotiation, contains insights, practical strategies, and effective communication techniques to help you do just that. Download our PPT Deck on Setting the Opening Offer in Negotiation to jumpstart your negotiation process. Even better, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. The PPT Deck starts with definition of the opening offer and its purpose in a negotiation. Then we dig deep into two common scenarios, making the first offer and getting the other party to open first. The detailed templates study each approach's strategic advantages and potential pitfalls, offering insights into when to use which strategy. The PowerPoint resource then delves into the psychological principle behind the anchoring effect and how it influences the direction and results of a negotiation. It explains the importance of listening in negotiation, discusses how nonverbal cues like tone of voice, body language, and facial expressions impact the negotiation process. Want to improve your negotiation skills? Our PowerPoint deck on Setting the Opening Offer in Negotiation is waiting for you. Just follow the download link below and start learning. Then it explores the negotiation tactics, detailing strategies that the buyer adopts, the seller takes to, and tactics that are common to both the buyer and the seller. The buyer tactics section highlights techniques buyers employ, such as playing dumb, lowballing, and expressing reluctance. It also examines how each tactic works, when to use it, and how sellers might respond. Similarly, it explores tactics for sellers, like the salami and imposing deadlines. We study, and also highlight with an example, how to effectively use these strategies and what buyers might do in response. This segment covers universal negotiation tactics that both buyers and sellers can use. It includes strategies like leveraging silence, playing the ego, and posing closed questions. Once practiced in real-life situations, the knowledge of these tools is worth their weight in gold. Visit www.slideteam.net to find many more such PPT decks.